Coping with jet lag. Essential tips for travelers. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a topic that many travelers find challenging: coping with jet lag. Whether you're flying across the globe or just a few time zones away, jet lag can really impact your trip. But don't worry, we're here to help. We'll explore what jet lag is, why it happens, and most importantly, how you can manage it. So, let's get started and make your next journey as enjoyable as possible. Jet lag occurs when your body's internal clock, or circadian rhythm, is out of sync with the local time at your destination. It's more than just feeling a little tired after a flight. It's a whole body sensation that can affect your sleep, mood, and even your appetite. The primary cause is rapid cross-time zone travel, and the more time zones you cross, the more likely you are to experience it. Symptoms include fatigue, difficulty concentrating, and disruptions to your sleep pattern. Believe it or not, your battle against jet lag starts before you even leave. A few adjustments to your routine can make a big difference. Try gradually shifting your sleep schedule a few days before your trip to better match the time zone of your destination. Also, staying hydrated is key, as dehydration can worsen jet lag symptoms. Avoid caffeine and alcohol before your flight, as they can affect your sleep quality and hydration levels. Once you're in the air, there are several strategies to help minimize jet lag. First, adjust your watch to the destination time zone to mentally acclimate yourself. Try to sleep on the plane if it's nighttime at your destination, using earplugs and an eye mask to block out distractions. Stay hydrated during the flight and move around the cabin when possible to improve circulation. Upon reaching your destination, try to adapt to the local schedule as soon as possible. If you arrive during the day, expose yourself to natural sunlight to help reset your internal clock. Engage in light physical activity like walking to keep your energy up. If you must nap, keep it short, around 20 to 30 minutes, to avoid affecting your nighttime sleep. In the days following your arrival, continue to prioritize good sleep hygiene. This includes a consistent sleep schedule, a comfortable sleep environment, and avoiding screens before bedtime. Some travelers find melatonin supplements helpful for adjusting their sleep cycle, but it's important to consult with a healthcare provider before trying any new supplements. Coping with jet lag is all about preparation, smart strategies during your flight, and adjusting your routine once you arrive. While it might seem daunting, following these tips can greatly reduce the impact of jet lag on your trip. We hope this video helps you feel more prepared for your next adventure. Safe travels, and don't forget to enjoy every moment of your journey.